During your due diligence period, you have time to complete all the inspections, review the seller's disclosures, ensure your loan is on track. If an issue comes up during inspections, here's how to navigate your next steps wisely. What happens if there's an issue? If the repairs are minor, keep it in perspective. If inspections reveal small issues, try not to sweat the details. Asking for too many minor fixes could frustrate the seller, delay your closing, or even kill the deal. What happens if there are major issues? Then it is time to negotiate. If a big ticket item comes up, such as a leaky roof, foundation concerns, or plumbing issues, you have options. Request that the seller make repairs before closing, or you can ask the seller for a price reduction, or you can negotiate a credit to cover or help cover the cost. This can be tricky due to loan considerations, but an experienced agent will know what to do. How much leverage you have depends on the market conditions, the lender, and your loan type, of course. But let's talk about buyer's market versus seller's market and how it affects your negotiations. A seller's market, high demand, low inventory. If multiple buyers want the home, the seller may not be willing to cover repairs. You might have to absorb the cost of fixes to secure the home. A buyer's market, more homes for sale, fewer buyers. In a buyer's market, sellers are more motivated to negotiate repairs or offer credits. You have a better chance of getting seller-paid fixes in a buyer's market. And how does this impact your loan? Well, certain loan types require repairs before the bank will fund your loan. Your lender and agent should guide you on these potential requirements, helping you avoid surprises and protect your deposit. Common lender-required repairs include health and safety issues, exposed wiring, mold, broken heating systems, structural concerns, roof damage, dry rot, foundation issues, code violations, missing railings, non-functioning plumbing. Being prepared upfront makes the process smoother and ensures that your financing stays on track. Did you know that pre-listing inspections help everyone? Some experienced sellers get inspections done before listing their home, though it's rare. And when they do, buyers know upfront if major repairs are needed. Sellers avoid last-minute surprises that could derail a deal, and the closing process is smoother for everyone. A well-prepared seller means fewer negotiations, fewer delays, and a much easier path to closing. You're almost there. And once inspections, disclosures, and any repair negotiations are finalized, you're one step closer to getting your keys. If you're thinking about buying, let's connect. I'm Lesa Miller with RE/MAX. I'll guide you through every step, ensuring you secure the right home at the right price on the right terms.